is 27th of 28th of June, and seeing live application of AbayaTrack, and it's like more than 5 months right now. I believe it's in 5th month, and you can see a live interaction between how they are making it work. So we can also see in a factory, you can see so much recyclable process can be done a lot of ways around. So I believe there's so many things can be evolved from this waste. So let's see what solution we can build from this. Yep. Anyway, thanks for listening to us. So we are AbayaTrack, Creative Technologies, AI Solution Architect. We are providing AbayaTrack, one tap productive mapping platform for your Industry 4.0 factory, and also we are providing the AI trust infrastructure through NFC cards and NFC review stands. If you require the similar support, feel free to write to us at abir.abbas@proton.me, or subscribe us at youtube.com/@wavelength. Thank you very much. See you soon.